Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today I'm comparing ShopBase and Shopify to help you choose the better platform for your online store. I'll walk you through their features, pricing, and overall experience so that you can make the right decision fast. But before we start, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer. You will also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Now, let's get started. First, let me give you a quick overview of these platforms. Shopify is one of the biggest names in the e-commerce world. It is a cloud-based platform that helps beginners and experts create online stores with ease. It supports everything from small shops to huge brands, and it's known for its strong reliability and flexibility. Now, on the other hand, ShopBase is a smaller but very focused platform. It was built especially for drop shipping and print-on-demand sellers. Its goal is to help beginners start their store quickly without needing too many extra apps or any complicated setup. If you want something simple, fast, and beginner friendly, ShopBase leans in that direction. Let's talk about features. Shopify offers a wide range of tools such as customizable themes, a huge app store, fast hosting, strong security, abandoned cart recovery, and marketing tools. You can also sell on social media, connect multiple payment methods, and customize almost anything on your store. Meanwhile, ShopBase keeps things more simple and direct. It comes with built-in features for drop shipping, product importing, upselling, and product bundles. You don't get as many themes or apps as Shopify, but the basic tools needed for a simple drop shipping store are already included. If you just want to test products quickly, ShopBase makes the process easier. Next up, let's look at user experience. Shopify has a clean and modern dashboard that beginners find very easy to use. Everything is nicely organized, and you can build a store even if you have no technical skills. Now, the only thing is that advanced customization may require apps or coding. On the other hand, ShopBase is very simple and straightforward. It's great for beginners who want to launch a store fast. The dashboard is easy to navigate, but the designs and customization options are not as polished or advanced as Shopify. If you want professional looking designs, Shopify has the upper hand. When it comes to integrations, Shopify clearly leads. It connects with thousands of apps, payment gateways, and marketing tools, giving you more freedom to expand your business. ShopBase has fewer integrations and mainly supports basic tools for drop shipping. If you need a lot of third party apps, Shopify is probably the better choice. Let's talk about pricing. Shopify has four main plans: basic, $25 per month; grow is $65 per month; advanced is $399 per month; and plus is $2,300 per month. ShopBase has three plans: basic base at $19 per month, standard base at $59 per month, and pro base at $249 per month. Now, the big question: which platform is the right choice for you? If you want a long term professional store that gives you flexibility, strong features, and room to grow, Shopify is the best option. But if you're a beginner rather, and you're looking for a simple and affordable way to start drop shipping or print on demand, ShopBase is a great choice. All right, that's it for this video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check the link below. You unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.